In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a small multiples chart in Power BI and highlight why this visualization technique is incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and ensure you're up to date with the current process as of 2025. First things first, you'll need to open Power BI Desktop. It's crucial that your software is updated to a version that supports small multiples, as this feature is where the magic happens. If you're not sure whether you've got the feature enabled, go to the File menu, then navigate to Options and Settings and click on Options. In the Options window, look for Preview Features. Here, you'll want to make sure the Small Multiples option is switched on. If it's not turned on by default, enable it, and just to be on the safe side, restart Power BI. With Power BI up and running and small multiples ready to go, it's time to pick your chart. Not all visuals support this feature, so you'll need to select from bar charts, column charts, line charts, or area charts. These will allow you to effectively use small multiples to your advantage. Next, it's time to integrate your data into the selected chart. Let's say you have a measurement, such as sales, plotted against an x-axis variable like month. Additionally, think of a categorical field that you can use to split the data. This could be something like region or product category. This choice of category will define what your small multiples will represent. Now here comes the fun part, utilizing the small multiples field well. In the Visualizations pane, after you've got your chart selected, locate the small multiples field. Drag your chosen category field into this well, and you'll witness your chart transform into a grid of smaller charts. Each mini-chart corresponds to a distinct category value and provides a clear visual segmentation of your data. Formatting is key to making your small multiples effective. You can adjust the grid layout by changing the number of rows and columns to ensure everything fits neatly on your page. Customize the titles and headers of each mini-chart, alter the axis labels, and ensure synchronicity across y-axes and x-axes to facilitate fair comparisons. By default, these axes should be aligned, which helps in maintaining visual consistency. Finally, take time to interact with and refine your small multiples display. If you notice there are too many categories, leading to an overcrowded grid or displaying empty spaces, try adjusting the grid or applying filters to refine what's shown. Also, tweak the labels, fonts, and colors to enhance legibility, ensuring your mini-charts communicate the intended insights effectively. There you have it, a straightforward approach to creating small multiples charts in Power BI, boosting your data analysis with visual clarity and insightfulness. Thank you for watching, and happy charting!